At USClaims, we help you stay financially stable by providing you pre-settlement funding, which is a fast, risk-free cash advance designed for personal injury claimants who are waiting on a legal settlement. How does pre-settlement funding work? Well, it's not a traditional loan. It's a non-recourse cash advance, meaning if you don't win your case, you owe us nothing, period. The pre-settlement funding process is fast and simple. Here are the steps. You can find us online or call us directly. From there, we will reach out to your attorney to obtain documents. And if you're approved, you can often receive money that same day, if not within 24 business day hours. You can then use that money however you feel you need to while you're waiting on your case to reach a fair settlement. That could be for covering the cost of groceries or paying for medical bills. With the pre-settlement funding process, there are no credit checks or monthly payments. We evaluate your eligibility based on the strength of your legal claim, not your credit score. And if you win your case, we get paid back out of the settlement proceeds in one lump sum. At USClaims, we approach the pre-settlement funding process with fairness and transparency. Unlike other funders, USClaims offers a cap on what you'll have to repay, meaning that you'll know exactly what's the most you'll ever owe USClaims, no matter how long your case goes on for. And we don't charge any compounding interest. That means more of your settlement gets to stay in your pocket when your case is over. We've been helping people just like you since 1996, with over $1 billion funded in the past 10 years alone. If you need financial support while you're waiting for a fair settlement, please visit usclaims.com or give us a call. We're here to help.